All right, guys, so we're going to address some of these warnings that we have in the console. They're not affecting the way our application is running, but I do want to take care of them. So apparently with the useEffect hook, we have to add these dependencies. And these weren't showing up before. As you guys know, hooks are very new, but in like profile.js, we have to add get profiles because we have this empty array here. And we're running get profiles, which is going to, it runs within the useEffect here. So we have to add that as a dependency like that. So that should get rid of that one. And if we go back, dashboard.js, we need get current profile. So right here, get current profile. Let's do that. And then I'll address these in a minute, but edit profile, we have get current profile as well. Okay, and then these here, it looks like I just left a res variable where I didn't need one. So in our actions, our profile actions, if we go right here, I'm doing a delete. And I'm putting in, I have this res variable, but I'm not using it, so we don't actually need that. We can just get rid of that. Okay, and then these other ones here for add experience and add education. Link is used but never defined, that's no big deal. With router, we never actually wrapped the component in with router so that we could redirect from the action, which we're supposed to do, so I'm not sure why it still works. Because I believe we're supposed to do that, but apparently it works without it, but I'm going to add it anyway. So let's go to add education. We can get rid of link because we're not using it. And then with router, we're going to use that down at the bottom here. We're just going to wrap this like that and save. And then let's do the same in add experience, which is where is it? Right here. So we're going to get rid of link. And then down at the bottom with router. Oops. All right. So we'll save that. And let's go ahead and reload the server. All right. So we're still getting this one. It says missing dependencies, profile.bio. But the way that we did it, we can't add these in there, or we won't be able to actually edit the fields. So I'm just going to go ahead and ignore that warning. But you can see that the rest of them are gone. All right. So useEffect, I mean, hooks are new. So I'm not a master at hooks, but everyone wanted me to use hooks in this course. And we're only using useState and useEffect. It's not like we're going into all the other ones. So everything should be fine. Let's just test it out. Okay, so we have our profiles. Let's try add an experience. Okay, so that's fine. Delete, that's fine. Edit profile. Go ahead and take out Ruby. Submit. Profile updated. Let's reload. All right, good. So everything is working as it should. All right, so I just wanted to address those. I know some people get nervous when they see warnings and stuff like that. So in the next video, we're going to continue on, and we're going to add the single profile for the users.